Hey guys, today is day two of fishing. Uh, we got everything ready in this tackle box. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna go fish with this guy, my brother. So let's do it. Yo, what's up, guys? Now we're going fishing. This is my brother.
Man, what's good? What's up? What's up? What's up?
We're going fishing. So yeah.
Well, today we're going for bass and pike. Let's do this now. Look at our tackle box.
Bass, pike, sunfish. But it won't be the reason why I didn't do it a couple of days ago is because it started raining,
And there was
and
thunder shower last night.
last night they had thunder
This
showers.
is Canada, guys. This is Canada for us.
Yeah.
Now
So
let's try to go fish. Let's go. Let's do this. That's a pelleting. Yeah, guys, that's a